Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you all will be fine. May Allah Pak bless all of you. Okay, now going towards the video. Today's video relates to the difference between the love and lust. Love is an intense feeling that a person have for another person. Love is a strong bonding that a person have for whom he or she can trust and feel comfortable around them. A true love will never hurt you mentally or physically. He or she will always try to give you comfort and respect. Love is not only an emotion, it's an attraction, acceptance, and affection towards someone. In love, a person have patience and never think to be physical without nikah, as they think that it's sin or haram relationship. True love means nikah, while lust is totally opposite to love. But people think that we do love. Lust is an intense sexual desire that a person have for another person. Lust is a psychological force producing intense desire for something that can be in the form of sexuality, money, or power. In lust, a person have impatience and have wrong desire that is totally sin. Huzur Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that if two persons love truly with each other, there is nothing better than nikah. In short, love is a deep relationship, while lust is a physical relationship that will never succeed, and Allah will never happy with them. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.